Alright, we're gonna do a Snowy Day special ride. Yep, I think he knows it's coming. Weird thing is, it's February 20th, and it's snowing outside. Anyway, let's ride on the elevator. This is the death trap. Let's go to 6.
There's smoke in here. There's a little bit of smoking in here.
Kind of like. There goes the bird.
Can we get off or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Look at that. Oh look, the light just came on.
It's automatic.
Automatic light. And look, the snow.
Just quickly. Don't have your gloves on.
But take a look at this.
Yep.
It's snowing.
It snowed last night.
But it's now February.
Yep. Okay.
Just like in look at the snow.
Yeah, big pile of snow.
Big pile of snow, just like one of the Elmwood Park Garage. And look over there.
Yeah.
This is the new Cornsker Marriott Hotel.
Yep.
They used to be the old Cornsker Hotel.
It was demolished.
Demolished
back
1982.
On this day, February 20th. Okay.
And the elevator just lost it. Let's call it down. We'll wait for the elevator. Let's take a look at the snow. Oh, we got the left car. Back to G.
Perfume in here.
But look on the floor. That's why they're getting a mod. This one's a bouncy or a jerky elevator.
Yeah.
Someone's calling. We're gonna end the video.
No.
Whoa. Whoa.
You just do. Give him a
Assess spam risk.
Yeah. I'll call him later. You got it?
Yeah. But look at this. Look at the collar. It's orange.
Okay.
And the machine room's way up there.
Okay.
And there goes the bus.
There's the city bus. Okay, is that it?
Yep, probably this year or next year, 2027. Probably they're getting modernized very, very soon.
Sometime this year.
Sometimes these two elevators are going bye-bye.
Okay. Is that it?
Yep.
Bye.